Hello childrens. Lesson number 6 indices. Under this lesson, the last part of the lesson, that is some of the examples from this exercise remain to explain you by division method how to find out the square root of a numbers. So first of all, I will explain you these three examples, then we will take the next lesson in our next lecture. Okay, so first of all, the question number first is the 19,321. 19,321 is the square root of which number that we have to find out. Okay, 19,321. So first of all, according as I told you before, only we have to draw here the shape. Okay, and then we have to make a group of numbers from backside to group. So 21, 93 and the 1. In this way we will make three groups, 93 and the 1. So first of all, we have to think about the first group, and first group is the 1. So 1 square is 1, 1, 1. You know that 1 is the 1 square. So we have to mostly take the square at first, whose square is smaller than the first number, or the whose square is equals to the first. So 1 square is 1, so 1 we have to take it here. 1 plus 1 is the 2, 1 minus 1 is 0, and we have to write down here next group. So on to which number we should keep here, so we will get the answer 93 or less than 93. So if I will put here 21 and multiply here, 1 here I will put and multiply here also with 1. So on to, if I will put 21 1s are 21, this number is very small. So let us try 2. Which number we are putting here? Suppose I will take here 2. So 22 2s are 44. This is also very small than that number. So now I will take the 23. So here 23 I will multiply with the 3. Same number we have to take it here. That thing we have to keep in your mind. So 3 3s are 9 and 6 3 means 69. This one is also small, but we will check 24 into 4. 24 4s are 1 minute. 4 4 the 16, 1 carry 4 to the 96, and 96 is bigger than 93. So we cannot take 4 at the with 2. So the last number which was remain, it was the 3. So I will take 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. 23 plus 3 is the 26 that we have to write here, and these two's multiplication, that is the 69, we have to write at this place. Okay, do the subtraction of this. You will get 13 minus 9 is equal to 4, and 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So 24. Now next group we have to carry here. So here take 21. Now this one is the last step, because we copy here last step, last group of a number. Now at this place, first and last group is there. At that time what we have to check, the which number square unit place. Here we have to check the unit place number. Which is the unit place number? 1. Now tell me which number square is square's unit place is 1. So 1 square is 1. You know that 1 square is 1, and here 1 square is 1, and again 9 square is there. 9 square is 81, and for this number unit place numbers are 1. Unit place numbers are 1. So you just write down this only number. So these are only the steps. 2 6 here write down. Just now we done in the previous step. 261 into 1 if you had done here, you will get answer 261. This number is very small than the 2421. Now we have to take here 9, because 9 is at 9 squares unit place is the which 1 is there. So 9 9s are 81, 8 carry. 9 6 are 54, 54 plus 8 is the 62, 6 carry. 9 2s are 18, 18 plus 6, 18 plus 6 is the 24. So 2421, this answer you will get. When you solve this, you will get this answer. Understand? So here which number we have to put it here? So 1 minute. So we have to put, here we got 2421. So here we have to take 9. Here we have to take 9. Here we have to do the addition. 9 9 18, 1 carry, 7 2, and here these two's multiplication we have to write, that is 2421. Answer is the 0. Okay, so 19,321 is the square of 139. 139. Understand all of you? So this is the square root method. Now we will see, just see all of you here, the steps I explained you here, and the example is at this place. Okay, this one is the example, and this is the square of 139. Just now we solved. Now we have to see, when there is a decimal point, how to solve the example. So question is the 141.61. 141.61. 141.61, that we have to first make the groups of 2 2 and then draw this. Now first group, 1 square is 1 1 minus, here we have to do the plus, here minus 1. From this what you are understanding? 1 minute. 1041.61 groups first of all make. Okay, 1 square it will come here, here also 1, this 2's addition is the 2, once here also we have to write, so 1, these 2 subtraction, 41 right here. Now we have to put here, find the number, we have to put it here whose multiplication is, so 2 right here, only try to put here, 21 ones are 21, you knows, so 22 if we are taking here at this place, then you will, these 2's multiplication is 44, and that is more or bigger than the 41. So here we have to take 1 1, do the addition of this, so 22, 21 ones are 21, 0 2, and here which we had taken 11, so here point we have, so 1 1 point. Now points before number finished, so points came, so give here point. Now 61 is there. So 61 we have to, this is the group we have to copy here. Now here is the 22. So on 22, you just now I told you 1 square and 9 square has a unit place number, which that is the 1. So here we will put 121 into 1. You just try to do the try and find the answer, and 129 into 9. So do the multiplication. 221 ones are 221, and 9 nines are 81. 8 carry, 9 twos are 18. 18 plus 8. 18 plus 8 is the 18 plus 8 is 26. 9 twos are 18 plus 2 is the 20. So if you done the multiplication, 229 into 9, you will get it here this answer. So we have to put it here 9 number. So 0.9, and here 2061. Here 9, do the addition, 9 9 81, 1 carry 3, 238, and here is the 0 0 0. Remainder is 0, then answer is 11.9. Okay, so here in this example, inside if decimal point is there, the points before digits number decimal point finishes, then you have to give the decimal point. So 141.61 is the square of 11.9. If decimal point is not here, then it is the square. 14,161 is the square of 119. Okay, so this is the example, and the last example we will see now. This was, we solved it here, and last example is the so here this example they solve it here. Let us take 137. You know that 137 is not the square of any number, so here approximate value also we can find it here. Okay, it is not the square of any perfect number, but we can find the approximate square of this number, and for that what we have to do, 137 we have to write and take the points. 137.00 we have to take, groups make, then draw this. Once one only bit will come, because the one only which examples we solve here, 1 will come here, subtraction 0. 37 11.37 first group, write down now. Now here if we put it here 2, then you will get 22 2s are 44, so we have to put here 1 only. So do the addition of this here, 22 and 21 ones are 21. Do the subtraction, 6 and 3 minus 2 is equals to how much? That is 1. And next zeros group you have to write here, zeros group. Okay, now 22 is on 22. If 0 is here, 0 is the unit place squares, 10 square is there, its unit place number is 0. So here if you are taking any number, okay, just here we have to try the numbers. So 2 2 6 into 6, if I will try, 6 6 are 36, 2 carry, 6 2 are 12, 13 14, 1 carry, 6 or 12 plus was 14. This number is very much smaller than this number, so we will try this next number, that is 2 2 7 we will try. Which number? This number we have to write here, and here we have to try the which number we are taking here, the same number you have to take it here for the multiplication. So 7 7s are 14, 1 carry, 7 2s are 7 7s are 49, sorry, 4 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 4 is the 18, 1 carry, 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 1 5. So this is also very much small, but if you are taking 8 here, 8 2s are 16 means you will get the 1600 more bigger number. So we have to take here 1 5 8 9, and when you solve this you will get remainder here 11. Okay, and here we have to take 9, here we have to take here 11 point, here was we take now 7, and here we have to take the 227 plus 7 is equal to 234. Here it is 11. So in this way, when you will solve this example, you will not get the answer of this, means you will not get the 0 here. At this place you will not get 0, because this is not a perfect square number. Okay, 12 square is 144, this is the perfect square, and 11 square 121, and this number lies in between them 10 square and 11 square, in between 137 is lies, and so it is not a perfect square. At that situation, the approximate value means this is the squares of approximate, this number is greater than 11.7. okay, under root 37 is greater than 11.7, and so here and 11.8 square is, they find it here, if they done multiply, 139.24. so this is the square of the number which lies in between 11.7 and 11.8, in between them if any number is there, that number square is the 137. This is the approximate value. In this way we have to find out the square root by using the division method. Okay, so all of you practice. This is the little bit hard method. If you are in front of me, I will teach you in better and better way, but now I tried to teach you this method, and I will take your practice when you will in front of me, but now it's not possible. When we will meet each other, I will definitely, otherwise in online class lecture inside I will explain you this again. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.